let us add HBr to propane. CH3CH double bond CH2 on treatment with HBr gives two products. In one case, bromine will be added to the carbon-carbon double bond which contains less hydrogen, and positive part is added to the carbon atom which contains more hydrogen. This is according to Markovnikov's rule, and the product is CH3CH Br single bond CH3. Here, negative part of the addendum goes to the carbon atom of the double bond which contains less hydrogen, and positive part goes to the carbon atom of the double bond which contains more hydrogen. This is the major product, and the minor product is CH3 CH CH2 Br H. This is the minor product, and this product is according to Markovnikov's rule. Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss about the mechanism of Markovnikov's rule. When a polar molecule is added to unsymmetrical alkene, Markovnikov's rule is followed. Let us add CH3CH double bond CH2 with HBr. HBr is a polar molecule. This is an unsymmetrical alkane. This is also known as propene. Why unsymmetrical? Because on this side you will find two carbon atoms, on this side you will find one carbon atom. So this is unsymmetrical. As it is unsymmetrical, negative part of the polar molecule goes to the carbon atom of the double bond which contains less hydrogen, and positive part of the addendum goes to the carbon atom of the double bond which contains more hydrogen. This is Markovnikov's rule. So the product will be CH3 CH Br single bond CH3. This is 2-bromo propane, and the product is according to Markovnikov's rule, and this is the major product. This is the major product, and the minor product is CH3 CH2 CH2 bromine. Here bromine is added to the carbon atom of the double bond which contains more hydrogen. This is the minor product. Let us do the mechanism. You know, HBr is a polar molecule. On breaking gives H plus and Br minus. Here H plus is an electrophile as it is positively charged. As it is positively charged, it attacks the unsymmetrical propene. Here you see this pi bond is shifted to this side, and this gains a negative charge, and this carbon gains a positive charge. So H plus prefers to attack this CH2. When this H plus attacks, this carbon gains a positive charge. So you see CH3 CH plus single bond CH3. If H plus is added over here, then the pi bond is shifted to this side. So this carbon gains positive charge. So there is a chance of getting CH3CH2 single bond CH2 plus. You see one thing, when H plus is added to the carbon atom of the double bond, the other carbon attached to the double bond gains positive charge. Here you see H plus is added to this carbon, and the other carbon gains positive charge. Here you see H plus is added to the middle carbon and the other carbon attached to the double bond gains positive charge. So there are two carbocations. This is secondary carbocation and this is primary carbocation. You know, secondary carbocation has 6 hyperconjugating structures, as it has 6 hydrogen atoms to this C plus, 6 hyperconjugating structures. Here it has 2 hyperconjugating structures. As this carbocation has 6 hyperconjugating structures, this is more stable and this is less stable. As it is more stable, Br minus prefers to attack this more stable carbocation than the primary carbocation. So the possible product is CH3CH, Br CH3. This is the major product, and the minor product will be CH3, CH2, CH2. This is the minor product. Thank you for watching the video till the end.